If you are a Windows 10 user and you are tired of your start menu, you can change it, customize it to whatever you want. Hello and welcome to TechWiki channel. This is Ahmed. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to customize your start menu for Windows 10. Just hit on the start button on your keyboard and you will see my start menu here. You can customize it to whatever you want. As you can see, I can drag and drop this here to here. I can take it back here, and if I want to add a new program here, just right click on the program I want and pin to start. As you can see, it will appear here. I can move it around anywhere I want, like this. If I want to be here, it can be here. Just drag and drop it. And if I right click on it, you can see the resize. It will show the type of icon that it will display to you. Resize, small, size, medium. Maybe you wondered why this is so wide. Some programs support the start menu wide size. If I click on this, you can see resize, small, medium, wide. This is now wide, small, medium, and maybe the wideness of some program goes from here to here. That depends on the program or software you install. I'm gonna more pin to taskbar here. Right click on it. You can see the size option here, a small or medium, and if you drag and drop a program or a file from here to here, you can put it here and pin it to a start menu like this. Click on here, resize, wide, resize, large. As you can see, this is the large button. That depends on the software or program or application you install on your Windows. Resize, small. As you can see, if the wideness of this shortcut goes beyond the Windows column, it will just replace it. As you can see, like this. If I just resize this to medium, now it will go easily right here, and right click on resize to medium like this. And if I want to delete one application from the start menu or unpin from the start menu, just right click on it and unpin from start menu like this. It's really easy to customize your start menu in Windows 10, and I urge you to install Windows 10 and try it yourself. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, you know what to do, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future videos and updates.